Happy New Year, my friends. It's been a while since I've posted. I'm sorry I've been MIA for so long, but unfortunately, I did get sick with the respiratory illnesses that have been floating around, and I've been sick for the last 4 weeks. I had originally intended to do Vlogmas and share with you all the different things that I have yet to unbox that I have purchased over the year, but best laid plans and such. So instead, I've decided to start off the year by posting my latest purchases for Christmas and then share over the coming weeks things that I have purchased and collected over 2022, as well as some additional reviews. I'm hoping that I will be able to follow through with a low buy, no buy over 2023 and really spend some time getting to use what I do have. There are a couple of planned purchases that I've actually already purchased. I'm just waiting for them to come in, but we will see what happens for 2023. But fingers crossed I can maintain my low buy, no buy, staying on Ban Island. These purchases, there was only really one intended purchase and then two others from this most recent collection, and obviously from the packaging you can tell this is all Louis Vuitton, and these were things that I purchased over December. The original purchase that I ordered online is going to be what I'm going to share with you first. So the original purchase that I had made was something that was supposed to just have been exclusively online. However, turned out they did end up having it at the store, but because I didn't want to miss out on it, I went ahead and purchased it. As you can see, it is an SLG, and this is from the men's collection. And this was part of the, I think it's technically part of the Christmas animation. This is the Clouds, I think, or In the Clouds collection from the men's. As you can see, this is a pocket organizer. It is in the monogram Eclipse, and then it has the beautiful blue and purples of a sunrise. I think theoretically this is all supposed to look like LV, but it's hard to say, it's so abstract. And here is the black leather interior, made in France. And card. Hopefully you can see this. Let's see if that. Okay, the info on it. Yeah, this is the sunrise. And this totally is my jam. The colors totally fit into what I love, and I was super excited to add this to my collection. These other two pieces that I purchased when I went to go pick this up from the store were somewhat impulse. I was waiting for my essay to bring this piece and something else I had purchased that I'll share in a future video. And while I was waiting, a gentleman was looking at some card holders and was wanting to look at different options, and his essay brought out this piece, which was in a drawer and was not on display. And when the gentleman decided against this, when my essay came out, I asked her, can I take a look at that? And I decided right then and there, ooh, yeah, I need to take that home. So, another SLG. But this one is in the sunset pattern for that same, I think it's in the clouds. Again, the monogram eclipse. And this is really awesome because it's got the card holders, has a slip pocket in the back, the slip pocket in the front, and it is a coin holder. You can stick a key in here, but it's got the beautiful oranges, reds, and burgundies. Here's the card, and then it's the coin holder monogram eclipse RVSS. Not sure what that is supposed to stand for, but I think it's sunset. And there's the info if you're interested. So, next impulse piece, but super glad to add this to my collection, and I'm looking forward to start using it very soon. Finally, this piece was on display, and I had seen pictures of it online, but I had to admit I was really, I don't know if that's something that I really would want to put the money in. I was already looking to put some money aside for a piece from the upcoming Kusama collection, and so I wasn't sure that I wanted to purchase something. But then I got to see this in person, and frankly it was just so stunning that it had to come home with me. So let's see if I can get this undone. Any guesses what I brought home? All right, here we go. This is the Keep All 25 in that same sunrise pattern collection, and it is a handbag. I think this is technically replacing the Keep All XS. It is slightly bigger, and if anybody is interested in a comparison of the Keep All SS along with the Speedy 25 or Speedy 30, please leave a comment down below and to let me know. That is a potential video that I was looking at filming. But isn't this gorgeous? The photos online just did not do it justice. You can see all the beautiful sky and sunset, a little bit of a rainbow. I'm sorry, not sunsets, this is sunrise. And did come with a luggage tag, and I'm hoping to check to see if they have a Vivienne stamp. That I'm thinking that I would like this. The silver Vivienne stamp would be really cool. But as you can see, it has the D-rings for the strap and the back. The bottom colors are totally my jam. It has the pretty substantial silver hardware, and this is the canvas strap, as you can see, that has Louis Vuitton on there, and another little D-ring so you can attach coin purse, anything else to it. Just a big black hole. Does have a pocket, and it's a pretty good size. Obviously not as tall as a Speedy 25, but it does have it can hold a decent amount. So just to give you some measurements, as I said, this is technically the Keepall 25, so that's 25 centimeters. As you can see, just about the 25 centimeters. If we do that in inches, so that gives us almost 10 inches. But unlike a Speedy, the height on this is only the height is only about about a little over, around 6 inches, or let's flip it over to centimeters. That puts us at about 16 maybe centimeters. That's it for today, my friends. I hope that you have a blessed and safe 2023. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to see more unboxings and share in the pieces that I collected over the last year, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell so that you can be notified of all my future videos. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Bye.